All right, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the exit traffic network, and I'm going to take you into the back end to show you how uh, the site can be set up to use for your traffic. First, we do want to explain, what does exit traffic mean? Well, if you are on a page and you're scrolling down through the page and you're like, okay, no, I'm not really interested in this, and then you get ready to click out, as soon as you start heading up to the X to click out of it, or to another tab, then an ad is going to pop up, and it's going to say something along the lines of, stop, wait, look at this before you leave. Okay, and normally you're giving away something of value at that point, just like any other landing or capture page, but you're catching their attention before they get completely out of the site, out of the page. And a lot of times, I think it's maybe a 20 to 30% chance that they will stop, at least look at the ad, and possibly go ahead and grab whatever it is, information it is that you are giving them. And let's see. So in this particular instance, if I was looking at the exit traffic network for my first time, I'd come down here and say, for $17, you get daily traffic sent to your link. That $17 covers you for the next three months. I think it's 100 visits per month, and then you can repurchase or pick up on any of the bonuses that the owners might have. So we're going to come down here and take a quick look at it. Frank Salinas, who very well-known traffic expert in the industry, is who put this traffic platform together, and it is a very unique platform that we're being allowed to put onto rotators, or URLs, that when people get ready to exit, that pop-up's going to come up, and depending on where you're at in the rotator, whether or not it gets seen, and that he is guaranteeing 100 visits at least per month to the pop-ups that you're going to give him to put into the rotator. All right, so let's see if we can get Frank to tell us a little bit more. All right, the sound did not come through on this, so just kind of walk you through this a little bit as Frank is talking about the pop-up there. He's getting ready to put in a link, and as you saw his arrow go to the up to the top, that's black. Unlock the viral shortcut to earning is the pop-up that came up, and you saw how quick that came up as well. So I might add that you want to make sure to test your pop-up and make sure that it loads very quickly, because you've only got a couple of seconds to grab the person's attention before they go ahead and click on that X to be done. All right, so that's a quick demo from on Frank's side. Sorry it didn't work, but here we go. All right, so what you get for your initial $17 purchase is 100 hands-free visitors monthly, which we already mentioned earlier, automatic rotation of the traffic, which we did mention as well, passive exposure, so you're not doing anything. The person that is viewing a page and then decides to leave is doing all the work. You're just setting it up, basically set it, forget it. And lifetime leverage option, so you can purchase so that you continue to get this traffic, and bonus splash pages are available so that you can create a splash page to pop up when that is triggered. Okay, so once you get started in here, you're going to need to go through the video training. Please make sure to watch those, very important. And then you're going to go to get traffic, and this is where you're going to put your links. So you come down here and you can go to this link, and you can scan your site to make sure that it is a good, safe site. Doesn't have any bugs in it. Okay, you can click here to get more URL spots if you want more than the one or two that you are purchasing. I think I either upgraded, I don't know if you get two for the 17, or if maybe I upgraded a little bit to get two, but I ended up with 2 URL slots. And we come down here, and you can see I've already had 295 there and 295 there. So I do know that I am getting visits, okay, or getting hits. And now we're going to do some editing. So I had a different, 2 different exit pop-ups in here, and I'm getting ready to change it to this one that you see here, and then we're going to go in and do a little bit of editing for this one as well. Okay, we're going to come over here to LeadsLeap, which is the platform that I use to create all of my pages and funnels, to track traffic that we're working on, to do some advertising for me. It does just a little bit of everything, and you can actually join LeadsLeap for free. It also is my autoresponder, which is my email marketing tool, and you can have that for free with LeadsLeap lifetime. You do not have to upgrade. Of course, if you do upgrade, there are going to be some more benefits to that, such as you will get 10 advertising spaces that you do not have to click for to get credits. They just automatically run in the background for you. Your SendSteed email autoresponder, you'll be able to do the daily listing or daily sending of emails without having to go in and manually do it every day. I think this is just a broadcast option on the free option, which is still not a bad way to go. At least you have access to your leads. And by the way, that those leads can be unlimited on a free autoresponder. You're not going to find that anywhere else out there in the world of email marketing, period. Okay. And to be a pro member, I think it's only like $23. You can get a special $23 a month. And of course, if you are an affiliate for them and sell any of the memberships, then even on the free membership, you can still make 25%. On the pro membership, you'll make 50%. All right. So just real quick overview from of how the LeadsLeap system works. So what I'm going to come down to here is my page manager, and we're going to go in and see if we can find our exit page pop-ups that we were using. One new member per day. Nope. That could be a pop-up. MLGS pages, bridge pages. You're going to see that I have many pages in here from work that we continue to do. Traffic on a budget, Click Engine, Click Dynamite. And I apologize, I thought that this would be a little bit quicker to find. Okay, I think we found the page we were looking for. This is exit page for 7 YouTube tips, exit pop-up for 7 YouTube tips. And this is what that page looks like. So when this one would pop, then this is what you would see. What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to go in and do just a real quick edit. This before you go right now, I want to make that a wait before you go, and I want it to stand out like the highlight of the free does right there. So we're going to do just a little bit of editing, and I'm not going to bore you with that. So let me go do it real quick, and we'll come right back and see what that change looks like. All right, so these are some of the changes I made real quick. I wanted to get a wait before you go in there and noticeable, so that's why I highlighted it with the yellow background. Time sensitive offer, get my free 7 must-do tips to grow your business on YouTube fast. Simply drop in your email below for this free gift. So I'm just double checking for any little typos anywhere. And I'm thinking looks pretty good. If you see anything, make sure to go ahead and comment and let me know. Hey, go back and fix that. All right. So let's go ahead and make this live. All right. So we're making sure our status down here is active for this particular capture page, and we're going to go here to copy, and we're going to come up here let's see if we're on the right page. Oops, that's a test page. It's an account page. I think I'm on the right page here. And we need to log back in again. Here we go. Now we're on the right page. This one right here where it says exit 2, that is the one that I'm working with. Just double make sure. Okay, and so I changed it and saved it on the LeadsLeap page. Okay. And after I saved it, I didn't have to go back in and drop a different link. As you can see, this is all this is the page right here, and all I did was just come down here and I clicked on it to make sure that it looked correct. Okay, so now we're going to compare that one to the other one that I've had changed earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it. All right, so this is going to pop. This is the second one that I put in there, and it's going to pop up. And as you can see, I don't have a hey, wait, stop, thank you for visiting, anything like that on here. It's just going straight to a landing page to our turnkey system. So I've got another one that I'm working with, and after I edit it, then I will go in and change it over so I have a little bit of a grab their attention. This grabs their attention, absolutely no doubt about it, but they don't know why it popped up there. So I always like to have the wait or stop or hey, free gift before you go, something along those lines, so that they know on those exit pop-ups that that is what they're supposed to be seeing. Okay. All right, so the exit traffic network, we've got that all put together. And again, if you decide to use the exit traffic, to make sure to watch those video trainings so you understand what's going on here. This is a brilliant traffic piece, by the way, to the idea of you're catching people on the way out, and exit traffic pop-ups are known and proven to work. And also that they're giving you such a great deal on the price to get a couple of URLs in here on the rotator. And also, if you'll have to watch the videos, I don't remember off the top of my head, but after so many clicks, it'll send two credits back to the system. So you've always got, after so many clicks, you've always got some extra credits coming back to you, so you can then extend your time that your URLs are going to get traffic. All right, so just by messing around here, I've already increased these to 295 visits. So we're going to see if we can turn those visits into something positive and some leads, and keep an eye on the exit traffic network in our playlist to see if we are getting any new leads, possibly new sales. And of course, you can make money with this. You can be an affiliate right here for the exit traffic network through Warrior Plus. This is my affiliate link, and I will have it in the description area of the video so that you can take advantage of this really fun and unique way of getting traffic back to your email list. All right, until next time, bye for now.